Well, hello. In case you're wondering, yes, I am suffocating in this shirt. Whew, I'm looking extremely rough right now, but that's gonna change, okay? Now, I want you to look at this face. I want you to look at it, get a good look at it, get into the gigs of it. This is me without zero makeup. I've done nothing to my face, just my skincare, and that's just moisturizer for right now. For today's video, we're gonna do some finessing. What kind of finessing, you ask? Oh, the no makeup look finessing. By the way, if you haven't tried this, this is some pretty good stuff. I don't really like soda like that anymore, besides Big Red, but I saw this in the store. It looked interesting, and I wanted to try it, and I want to feel extra bougie drinking it out of my mug. And this is not good because I'm not supposed to be drinking soda because I'm supposed to be losing weight. I let go a little bit during the holidays, and I've gained quite a bit. And we gotta slim back down because so my clothes, they're a little tight. So I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start with my brows for this look. The theme of today is a no makeup look. I really want to be out here finessing the others, you know, making them think I don't have makeup, because a lot of the time when non-makeup enthusiasts or people who don't partake in makeup are talking about, oh, I like me a natural girl, or I like me a girl that doesn't wear makeup, 9 times out of 10 they're talking about something like this. That's a full beat. And I don't know if the person who made that tweet was joking or not, but a lot of people on the internet didn't think so, and they dragged him to filth. That was a while ago, and I laughed at it and moved on. But I thought it was hilarious because 9 times out of 10, when people who don't know makeup are talking about, oh, I like me a natural girl, a girl who doesn't wear makeup, all natural, and then they point out a girl who has a full beat, natural makeup, looks amazing, but that girl got a full beat on. What you talking about, all natural? And then when there is a girl with no makeup, y'all clown her. So which one is it, okay? Because you can't have it both ways. Whenever I hear a dude or people who don't wear makeup say that, because it's not just dudes, like trying to clown people who wear makeup, I'm just like, okay, bro. Whatever you say. Most of y'all don't even know what you're talking about. I want to try to pull off an actual, like, you can't tell that I'm wearing makeup type of makeup look. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to go too much on the brows. I feel like I'm doing too much already. I think that's, yeah. So I'm gonna try to finesse the makeup haters, or, you know, the not like other girls. I'm not like other girls. I don't wear makeup. I'm super natural. Okay. This is one of my favorite foundations, what I've been using for a while now. The Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. I'm sure y'all are probably tired of seeing this. This is honestly probably one of the best if I was trying to finesse somebody into thinking I haven't done my makeup, because it gives coverage but not too much, and it's not matte. It's a nice healthy, it gives you a nice healthy, like healthy radiant glow. I need to do primer before that. Primer. So I think a few videos ago, I was talking mess about this primer. Well, I wasn't really talking mess. I just said I don't think it works. Y'all, I'm obsessed with this primer now. It is amazing. Ugh. Turns out I wasn't using enough. After using the adequate amount, I love this primer now. I see what the hype was about. And I promise this hairstyle makes sense when the bangs are down. I just have them pinned back and I look weird. What gave me this idea, because I have a whole book of, you know, video ideas. I keep all my video ideas in a tiny little book. I have so many ideas, so many things that I want to do, but 9 times out of 10 I end up just like thinking of something on the fly, and then I'm like, I gotta film it right now. Like this video happened on the fly. I was talking to my friend and I love her so much and I hate her at the same time, in the best way, because she has like that type of skin where she literally is just flawless. Like, she doesn't wear foundation. All she does for her makeup routine, tinted moisturizer, contouring or bronzing, eyeliner, mascara. That's it. And then maybe once in a while blush, and she just looks gorgeous. I was like, you know, you have one of those faces that like people probably assume that you don't, you know, wear makeup, even though, you know, she very clearly is. You can see like she doesn't wear a lot of makeup, but she's very dramatic with her eyeliner. Her eyeliner is always winged out to the gods, sharp as hell, like amazing. That's like the one thing she like takes her time on. Everything else is just bleh. But I was like, you probably finesse a lot of people because they don't think that you're wearing makeup. Psych! I'm gonna subdue it today with concealer. I'm gonna go with the concealer that's not too bright, which is my Conceal and Define from Makeup Revolution. It's not as bright as my other one. It's just crazy to me, like how people want to like make people feel bad for something they like to do. The dudes who will be like all over social media, I want me a natural girl. Do you even know what that looks like, bro? And then like you got the other ones, the not like other girl type chicks who want to seem special and pick me, pick me, pick me, I'm different. Whenever I call them pick me girls as well. Pick me, I'm not like the other girls, please pick me. While like throwing other women under the bus because of what they like to do. Like we all know those type of people. Like it's not just women, but this is like the topic I'm talking about right now. The girls who will be like, that will post something like, oh, I like sports, and when I go out on a date, I'm not gonna order just a salad, I'll order a steak or something like that. And they want to seem special and different and unique, and you know, everybody wants that, right? And then they try to, you know, differentiate themselves from basic women or other women, or you know, the women that they see as fitting the stereotype of what a woman is supposed to be. Like I did it too, I went through that phase too. Not as extreme as some people I see, but I went through that phase too where I refused to say that I like the color pink because it was a very girly thing, you know, to like the color pink. And I was like, I don't want to be seen as just, you know, a girl, and I automatically like the color pink, you know what I mean? So I refused to admit that I like the color pink for the longest time. But in reality, like, I don't really care about the color either way. I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. So I think we're on the right track so far. I'll in on a little secret. I don't bake every day. I don't bake every day. Or at least not the traditional way. What I like to do is I like to gather my setting powder on the lid, tap in my brush, tap a little bit of that excess off, and then go under and just tap it in there. If there's any excess, I like to just gently flick it off. Okay, I think we're good so far. I don't think you could look at me and tell that I have makeup on, even though it looks like I didn't do my brows, and I definitely did. Y'all, it's the new year and I'm like half motivated and half like, it's just another day. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with my eye makeup, because I know I want to put some type of shadow there, but I'm probably, I don't know, I'm gonna just shut up till I get there. I'm hoping I can do this successfully. Bronzing. Keyword, natural. That's it. Good enough. I'm gonna go with my lightest blush I have, which is this one. Yes, it's still in this plastic container because I'm not paying more for a compact. I refuse. Natural, natural, natural. I tend to go ham when it comes to blush, so I'm trying to be mindful. Natural, natural, natural. I'm gonna go a little bit over my nose. I like doing that sometimes. Okay, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough. Now, this is where I'm not sure what I want to do, because a part of me, like, maybe just leave it at this and call it a day. I could probably get away with, like, I think I'll go with Fresh Picked, which is this pretty shade right here. It's natural enough where it's not gonna, like, pop. I feel like that looks good. I feel like that looks good. Looks like it could be natural. I'm really out here trying to finesse these people, okay? So for highlights, I'm hoping I can do this right and it looks like a natural light. I hope this is not where I mess up. Like, that looks like that could be my natural glow. That's it. We're not gonna go too ham. Where are my eyelash curlers? Because I definitely need to curl my lashes. Of course I left them over there. I even said before I came over here, get your... So annoying. Let me get them. Well, turns out it's a good thing I had to go get my lash curlers, because I also left my freaking mascara over there. In the meantime, let's do my lips, because I was wondering what I should do. Should I just do a gloss? Should I do a nice tint of color? And then I was like, tint of color. You know what would give me a nice tint of color? My ColourPop Just a Tint lip crayons. I think I'm gonna go with this one, which is called Cherry Pickin', because it is the closest to my actual lip color and it's the one I use the most, as you can see. This is one of my everyday go-to products. As you can see, it gives me a nice little sheen wash of color. Pretty natural, sis. Now let me curl my lashes. I debated on whether or not I should do mascara, and I was like, should I just leave my lashes as is? I'm gonna try, like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try to put on mascara like the barest amount so it looks natural. And I know some people would be like, just put in lashes. The way my life is set up, if I can get around wearing lashes, I'm going to. So, no. I'm barely touching my lashes. Okay, y'all, I think I did something. Y'all, I think I did it, y'all. I think I'm on a roll. Acceptable. I don't like this at all. I don't like my eyes looking this bare. Like, I want to go in and define that crease, but we're trying to keep this as natural as possible. And y'all I think I did pretty good. I feel like I'm missing something. Okay. Let's let down the bangs so this hairstyle looks decent. And we're done. Okay, y'all, this is definitely a success. I think I could finesse anybody. I think people look at me and be like, does she have makeup on? Does she or doesn't she? Does she or doesn't she? I feel like this is a supernatural beat. You would never know. I'm such an eyeshadow fiend. I don't like my eyes right now. But we did this, girl. Let me put the ponytail up here. What did I do? I did that. I think I did pretty phenomenal. It like actually kind of pains me looking at my eyes like this. I did the dang thing. I am proud of myself. This is definitely a no makeup look. You know what? I feel like this would be a perfect base to like start your makeup off. Like if you're trying to rush out the house, you don't have time to do like the intricacies of your makeup. This would be like the perfect starter. And then like if you're in the car, passenger, not a driver, because I've seen people doing their makeup driving in the mirror, and I'm just like, you might not care about your life, but I care about mine. Please pay attention to the road. This would be like the perfect starter. Like you're rushing out, and then like when you get to your destination, you finish it up real quick. Yes, we finna be out here finessing people. Makeup? Makeup where? What is makeup? No, I'm not like other girls. I don't need makeup. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Make sure you guys like the video. Comment down below what you think of this look. What you personally do for your no makeup looks. Like this video. Please give it a like. Please give me the thumbs up. Of course, share this out to your people. Subscribe if you're interested for more of this face. More of this highbrow humor. Okay, I'm doing a little too much now. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. And until next time, I'll see you later, y'all. I'm about to be out here finessing all these mugs. Bye!